Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hello, Team Bella, and welcome back to the channel. It's me, Miranda, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I hope you're having an amazing day. So I am here to do a plan with me in my vertical catch-all planner for the week of November 1st through the 7th. Before we get started, a few reminders. If you enjoy the video, I would really appreciate the thumbs up to let me know, hey, I liked that sticker. I like the color combo. And comment and let me know what you like about the spread. And last but not least, if you've not had the opportunity to join me and the other members of Team Bella, which is what I call my planner squad, I would love to have you as a subscriber. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button below and don't forget about that notification bell. All right, so this week I have chosen stickers from 3 different sticker books. So this Indigo accessory book, I pulled stickers from here. Also the new seasonal fall sticker book, I've pulled stickers from there. And last but not least, I don't know what this is on the front of my book, but the Hello Fall book from Live, Love, Posh. So I've got the stickers already. I wanted to go, and what I saw was this blue color scheme. So that's what I am pulling, and I thought these would look so good together. So let's see what you guys think about it. Now this sticker is layered already, and I want to put this as far up as I can. Okay, and we will have to cut a little bit out. So let me grab a pair of scissors so we can trim that side. Okay, there's our cute, lovely monthly spread. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this off. Perfect. Okay. And then I wanted to make sure I put a quote, and I want to use this copper. I think it will look so good. So it says, "Oh, fall, it's nice to see you again." Because now in the Carolinas, it's starting to really feel like fall. October did not really feel like fall. And of course, September, it was still pretty much summer. All right. So let's see how everything ends up being. Here's another cluster that I have here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this here, and then I'm going to actually pull these stickers up and move them over just a little bit, because I want this to take up space, but I don't want it to be overwhelming. Okay, so I think that's really, really pretty. We're going to take this and kind of put this up here. Perfect. And then this says, "Nothing is impossible." All right. And now we're just going to trim off that little bit that didn't work. And then I'm going to cut around here as well, because I don't want to cover up our, quote. So we'll just come with this X-Acto knife, and we're going to just cut a little bit of this sticker off. Okay, let's see what happens. Perfect. Very good. Because I definitely wanted that to be there. Okay. Now we are going to trim this little bit of this bottom off here. Perfect. All right. So I'm feeling it. I'm not disliking it at all. And then because I want to make sure that I'm bringing in pops of all the colors, I'm going to add this copper color checklist right here. Okay. Very good. Yeah, okay. We are getting somewhere. All right. So we have another layered situation, which is going to be this indigo box here, kind of that tie-dye indigo look. And I'm going to put this here, and then I'm going to place this copper box over it like that, like so, like that. All right. And then I have this like half of a pumpkin that I want to place like up in this area. And then we're going to be making some minor adjustments. Minor. Okay. And I'm going to put this down here like that. So right here, I kind of have that coming over the line, and I don't think that I want it over the line. So I'm actually going to cut part of this off. Okay. And I do have, all right, because we are going to use another checklist, and it's going to go right here, and it makes sense. Yep. Okay. Alrighty. So all right, so we have this right here, and then I already put, I have a meeting at this time. It's a religious meeting. I think I want to move this over here. This is a little clutter to me, and I think I would appreciate it more if it is over on this side. Does that make sense? We don't want clutter. We want it almost perfect. Okay, let's try to get our, let's try to do it differently, okay? All right. Very, very good. That's going there. And then this is coming here. All right. All right. I think I'm good. I think I'm good. All right, now let me come down and put the other large cluster of stickers on the other side, and then we'll build everything else around it. And it is a huge cluster. Okay, so just as we have that sticker there on the bottom, I thought it would be cute if we came and kind of did the same thing over in this area. Now we will have to pull this up because this is just a little crooked. This one, come on. Come on, come on. We don't want to tear nothing. I do have some undo. All right. Come on, undo. Let's pull it up, baby. Okay. There is my, okay. It is coming up. There we go. That's what we wanted to happen. And then this side, I don't know why it doesn't want to come up. But we don't want to tear it. Okay, perfect. All right. So I'm going to come and I'm actually going to put this right here like that. And then I'm going to come with this one and I'm going to bring it just a little bit over. Now I have one more thing to complete this. It says keep up the good work, because sometimes you have those weeks and you need to hear that you've done a great job. Now I wanted to make sure that I incorporated another quote over here. So I want to put here autumn vibes, and I'm going to actually color out this line, white out this line with this pen. Okay, with this white gel pen. And I think it will look amazing to put it right here. Autumn vibes. Perfect. No, I don't want it to be there like that. I will fix that in just one moment. All right, so I also have for the very top, this, which I'm going to go ahead and trim some of the white from around the flower so that it could just lay down how I want it to lay. And it will be very, 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 it's going to be cut very close. And because there's some extra of the offset for the sticker. There's a lot of extra white on here, and I feel like if I could just trim it down a little bit, it will probably work out great. Okay. See? That's kind of cute. That's kind of cute. All right. And then I have this sticker that says Weekend Fun. And I want to layer it inside of the box. Well, let's layer it right underneath the box. Okay, Weekend Fun. Now, okay, we have, and we're definitely matching the other side. So we're going to put down our copper checklist here on Thursday. And then we have a blue one that goes on Friday. Okay. We have love it. Now, there are a couple of things that I want to add to this whole entire spread. So of course we want to put this here. All right. I have this sticker here that says you are doing really great, and I thought it would be cute to layer this down on the bottom of this side. Okay, let's see. Can we cut off the parts over here that's hanging? And I think, okay. So the autumn vibes, I think I'm gonna move it up. And what we're gonna do is we're going to make sure we come up this way a little bit with it and up a little bit here with it. I think that will be perfect. I don't want it to come over those lines. All right, so we took the autumn vibes and we did it this way. Autumn vibes. Perfect. All right, I think that looks good. So the only thing I don't think that I like is I think I want to chop some of this off. Okay, I want to make sure I get something to help me keep it straight. Let's chop some of this off and see how this looks. And let's also chop this off and see how it looks. Okay, so let's see. Yep, I like how that looks. And I think I cut this paper, so cut my paper, but it's okay. I still think it looks great. Oh yeah. So I think the only thing where I want to add something, I thought it would be cute to add these pops of these little leaves, various places. So like here, layering a leaf, copper leaf over that one. And then here on this bottom, I don't know. I think I want to cut it in half. See how this goes. Yeah. Let's put this little leaf right here. So it's like little leaves, various places. I even think like this autumn vibes right here. It'll be cute to put that leaf right there and just cut a little bit off the page. Okay. Let's see. I think this will be cute down there. And then we got one over there. We got one over there. I think we can probably, I have another little half one I can place somewhere. I think I can put this inside here. That's cute, the little leaf peeking out. And then maybe we do the same thing here. Okay. And have a couple of little handwritten plans that I want to put down here. That's going on next week. Yep. All right. All right. So that is my completed spread, and I absolutely love the way it came out. Please let me know your thoughts. I'm loving the pops of copper and the rust and the navy blue. I think it all went together so well. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you very soon. Ciao, Bella.